This is a 2006 CLK350. It has 53,000 miles. It has a clear title. It has been covered up. Matter of fact, it's 54,000 miles. We have the key. The car doesn't recognize the key. Radio works and everything. The car has a clear title, like I said. It is repairable. I don't think it hit the motor up here. You can see between the pulleys and the radiator. The car ran under a truck, hit the leg of the trailer, kicked it back out, and spun down the road, is what I was told. I bought the car like it is, going to sell it like it is. Have the keys, the title. Give me a call. It's 256-797-7181. Or look on the internet, Damaged Cars Alabama, DAMAGED, DamagedCarsAlabama.com. Thanks for looking. See you later.